said to be more sensitive. How to increase that sensitivity? What I should do adjustments in the potentiometer to increase the sensitivity? What is the basic idea of sensitivity? It should be able to measure even the small EMFs. There's a potentiometer wire. And there's a cell whose EMF I want to measure. There's a galvanometer. What I should do changes for this. So this is the EMF, no, the unknown EMF. This can be very small. I should be able to measure. So usually what is happens here? The balancing length. Let me proceed like this. Let's have equation, so that'll be easy for you. Now current to galvanometer is 0. So therefore the current will take a path like this. So what is this one now? VAC is equal to applied EMF, and this is equal to I lambda into L equal to this one. So as this applied EMF, the unknown EMF, which is then as it becomes lower values, as it takes lower values, then I should be able to measure that particular thing. So where I should make changes here. So what is the, let me go for further. What is lambda? Lambda is the resistance of the wire AB by length, where AB is equal to length of the potentiometer wire. This small l doesn't matter, no? And what is what is I is equal to further? I is equal to E naught by RAB plus R. So let me dump all the equations. Okay, the sensitivity of potentiometer now depends on what quantity. Means if I'm able to measure even the small applied unknown EMFs, then it's said to be more sensitive. There are not, no? Yeah. L, don't go for L, small L, that one. So what I should make this quantity LHS should be very small. To make that LHS very small, what parameters we can control? This E naught I should make small, no? First thing, make this E naught very small. Then look at the RAB. RAB is there both the numerator, denominator. At least you make it, you bring it to one place. You bring it to one place. So further this E, you can adjust it. E is equal to E naught L by 1 plus or naught by RAB. There's the one standard formula what we have brought it. Okay, now you go for this. This balancing length L, you take it out. So if I decrease E naught, S will become more sensitive. Even smaller EMFs I can measure. Got it this? Then again, next, if I increase the length, what is L? Length of the potentiometer wire. Then what when it will become more sensitive? The E what will happen will become less. Then R naught is internal resistance. I should not try to disturb that one. So what about RAB? The resistance of potentiometer wire. If I increase RAB, then this quantity will decrease. If this decreases, I'll decrease RAB. If I decrease RAB, this quantity will increase. Then this will decrease. So therefore, how to obtain a sensitive potentiometer? L should be large by increasing the length of the potentiometer wire and decreasing the resistance RAB. I can increase the sensitivity of potentiometer. What do you mean by sensitive potentiometer? Which can measure small EMFs. Means small change in EMF I should be able to measure very easily. So I think you look at the Wheatstone bridge, there the things are different. No? Like there, for different instrument weapon, the sensitivity will depends on different parameters here. So I can adjust E naught. So therefore E naught should be less, L should be large, L should be large, and RAB should be large. If RAB is, so RAB should be small. So the 1 by RAB what pen will become large, and this will become less. Okay, like this we define the sensitivity of the potentiometer. Okay, now a few other things are there. If you vary the RAB, what will happen to balancing length? In the experiment only, when you are doing experiment only, you are going to increase the length RAB. You are going to increase the length. If you increase the length of the wire, if you increase the length of the wire, so what will happen to lambda? Lambda is going to change. Lambda equal to RAB by L, proportional to the resistance. So this lambda will be constant here. So what will happen to I? I will decrease. Then what will happen to balancing point? Will shift towards right. So you do have some questions are there in book where if I increase E naught, what will happen to balancing length? If I increase the length of potentiometer wire, what will happen to balancing length? So if I double the EMF, what happened to balancing length? So all these some related questions are there. Just you analyze once. Okay, fine. So this what are topics left over? Meter bridge, post office box, and some equivalent resistance. This one. So shall I take evening class? Evening 6 o'clock. I'll take class.